let's say you get fired,
Okay.
right? And so you get fired today. We're in December of 2025. You have, first of all, we'll cover this in a second, but you have a year to bring the claim. Okay. So you can't sit on it. You can't be like, hey, they fired me 4 years ago. Now I'm ready to bring a CEPA claim. So you have a year to bring a claim. But let's just say that, let's say they fire you in December of 2025. By the time you meet with a lawyer, you put together your lawsuit, you file it, it's like March. So it's like been 4 months now, right? So number one is you get back pay. So for those 4 months that you should have been employed, you get the back pay. Number two is you potentially get not potentially, but you can ask for front pay. Okay. And you say, hey, I was senior in this position. I'm, 58 years old. I thought I was going to retire here at 65. I want 7 years of salary at this rate.
Wow.
Okay. So you can ask for it. You're not necessarily going to get it.
Right.
But you can ask for front pay. Okay. Then you get this concept of emotional distress damages, right? And you typically don't get emotional distress damages in like employment contexts and in any sort of contract context. But in this kind of context, because you can become the pariah and because you can have, the employer defaming you and disparaging you and harassing you and trying to get you to quit, you can really like, hey, I had to go see a therapist. I couldn't sleep at night. So you can get emotional distress damages, which can be unlimited. Right. Wow. Potentially. And then if a court thinks that their conduct was so egregious and it was so knowing and so purposeful, they could award punitive damages. So that could be another hammer. And then to add to all of those hammers that you get to make us lawyers incentivized to take these cases on contingency, if you win that case, you also get your attorney's fees. So the money that you've spent pursuing the case, you can actually recover.